Hey folks, and welcome back to the mountain. I'm Tony from Gagman's Mountain Homestead. We got a little bit different of a day today. We got a big storm coming in tomorrow. So we're going to be doing a lot of storm prep today. Sorry you missed me taking care of the bunnies. They wanted their privacy today. They said they didn't want to be videoed, so we didn't video them today. So we're going to go back here right now and take care of our goats and our chickens, and then we're going to get started on some storm prep. Morning, goats. There's Diana right on her spot as always. Everybody waiting, huh? Y'all want your food? All right, hang on. Yes, I hear you, Diana. Here you go, goats. And Nubia. Here you go. Yeah, I know. But you get the hay first. We'll put the hay in there. It'll be a lot easier if you weren't up there. Okay. You want your alfalfa now? There you go. Good girls. Hey, Dan. How you doing, buddy? Good boy. Hey, you. Over here. There's plenty over here. Hey, let me out. Let me out, coach. Hey, you two, stop it. Here you go, Zan. That's some water. Here you go, goats. Alright, goats. Have a good day. We'll be back later. Good morning, chickens. Come on out, chickies. Hey, that's Pretty Boy. That's our big rooster. Here come all the ladies. Mr. Wellington's in there somewhere, our other rooster. He'll be coming out. Mr. Wellington, you coming out today, sir? Come on, Mr. Wellington. Let's go. Hello, Queenie. Hello, Queenie. Here comes Mr. Wellington. Or not. He's shy. Come on, Queenie. Good morning, goats. Good morning again. That's some hemlock. Here you go. Another one. Tomorrow's going to be some nasty weather. Alright, one of the things we need to do for storm prep is the diesel tank for the tractor. If you remember right, I used to have it up there in the back. Well, I'm not used to, I do. Up there in the back on the shelf, but it's empty, so we brought it down and we filled it up today. And it's right there in the back of the truck. But now, with 15 gallons of diesel, it's too heavy to pick up by hand and put back on the shelf. So we got to start the tractor and use the tractor to put it up there on the shelf. Watching for my glow plugs there. It's been chilly the past few days, so we're going to let that cycle. I'm going to cycle it backwards and run them again. Run them one more time. And then when it shuts off, I said when it shuts off, we'll fire it up. Come on, girl. There we go. Alright, we'll let that warm up for a few minutes. And then we'll put the tank from there back up on the shelf. Next thing I want to do, I want to bring in a couple loads of wood from the woodshed here. We usually do our wood on Sundays, Saturdays or Sundays, but with the storm coming, we're not going to be able to, so we're going to load up a couple loads from the woodshed and put it over down there in the bulkhead. One more load. Alright, there we go. There's 2 loads of wood down here. There it is. Looks pretty good. Let's It's all right. I tell you what, though, I really hate stacking wood. It's a big mess there, though. I hate stacking wood. Let's see what we can do about that. There she is, all stacked up. Don't tell Joey that I did that, though, okay? So there we go. We're good for a few days. Next drawer. Just need a little tap. So this is the plow we installed. It's got an electric raise and lower, manual side by side. Oh well. With the electric actuator on that, we have 650 pounds down pressure with the plow. So we're hoping that'll work in conjunction with the tractor, that we'll be able to get our areas all plowed up good tomorrow. So she's all ready for the storm. Okay, our next chore is, some of my roads going out back are a little narrow from the last storm. It was the wet, heavy snow. It froze that way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get on the tractor and try to widen these out a little bit before tomorrow's storm. That actually worked a lot better than I thought it was going to, actually. You can see it did pretty well. There's a few places where it stuck out. I'll just go through with the bucket and clean them right up. There's the goats. The goats have learned that when they hear the side-by-side or the tractor, a lot of times it means you're getting hemlock. So I'm going to go down this side with the bucket and clean that up. Guys, I'm telling you, just go buy the tractor. It's not like you can bring it back and eventually she will forgive you. It does awesome. I'm telling you, just go buy the tractor. All right, I got a few more roads back there that I got to do, so let's go do them. All right, I need to do this one and then more down there, so I'll let you see them when I'm done. I told you I'd show you my roads, and here they are. We got one by the sawmill right here. This one was widened out. I keep it widened out just in case I need to mill. I do have a couple logs over there just in case. This one over here was actually pretty narrow, and now it's pretty wide now. We got this one good. And we keep going down, way down there, and then around through the first row of trees and back up this way. And I got everything widened out now. That goes back over there. There's the boys' barn over there. There's the girls and the boys now, because they're all in there for the winter. There's their barn. And everything is widened out now, ready for the storm tomorrow. So we did it, folks. We got everything ready for the storm. I don't know, expecting like between 1 and 2 feet tomorrow, so it'll be fun. It's also supposed to be cold, high of like 16. Yay! So that's going to be it from the mountain for today, folks. Just see what we do here on the homestead. Not sure I'll do much tomorrow during the storm. Maybe we'll let you watch some snow cleanup the next day. Who knows? I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow yet. So anyway, folks, that's it from the mountain. You know what to do, all that YouTube-y stuff. Like, thumbs up, share, tell everybody about us. Leave comments, what you like, what you don't like. Maybe I'll answer back, maybe I won't. And as always, folks, from the mountain, God bless.